Hello and welcome to Travels with Shane and Matt. We are just about to show you a suite tour. So it's of 1008, which is a junior suite in the Hilton Vienna Plaza. So let's knock and hope Matt opens. Thank you. So as you come in, you've got the wardrobe area and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 wardrobes as you first come in. There's various things in each one. This one has dressing gowns, slippers and hairdryer, shoehorn, sewing kit. I don't know what that is. Oh, just a shoe polishing rag, you know. And then there's a mirror there and a stool. This one has your fridge, lots and lots of shelving. When you first get here, you've got several bottles of water and you've got 3 large cocktails that are left for you, complimentary. And then this one has ironing board and safe. As you then turn around, you've got the 5 more wardrobes on this side with shelving and hanging space. You then move into the living area where you've got kettle, espresso cups, teacups, glasses, a Nespresso machine. I think you've got Nespresso pods in here. You have lots of different teas. Yeah, probably should take some of these home. What's in any of these drawers? These are just lots of storage drawers. And then you've got a large sofa, a couple of coffee tables, lamp and chair. And then your first balcony door, which has like a voile for privacy, and then 1 level of curtains and a 2nd level of curtains. You've got radiators that run all the way along the room. And then a large TV that's probably about 70 inches, I'd say. Very high ceilings, as you can see, aircon all the way through. There's then a desk area and lamp. Excuse the wet socks. We were just walking back and got absolutely drenched in a downpour. At the end of the bed is a chaise longue. Now I've got the camera on wide angle, so it does make everything look a little bit smaller than it actually is. You've then got a 4-poster bed, bedside tables, night lights, pad and pen. You've got USB charging points, an alarm clock. I think that's a vase or it's for your water. And then another balcony. Now I'm not going to go out, as I say, it's still pouring, but your balcony is huge in this junior suite. It runs from there all the way to the other end of the room, and that's your view straight out over to the Gothic church. The balcony has got a safety catch high up to prevent children from going out. So hopefully this view can show you the scale of the room. Over here you've got your room temperature or aircon. We like it quite cool, so we've had it set to the lowest temperature and the highest speed ever since we got here. There's loads and loads of light switches in this room, like for the entry, for the bedroom. But there's also one called master. If you just turn that off, all the lights go off. And then you come around the corner to your bathroom, which is smashing. This bath takes about 10 to 15 minutes to fill up because it's so big. I don't even think the camera shows how big it is, but I'm 6'4" and it comes halfway up my thigh. You're provided with Crabtree conditioner, shampoo and shower gel. You've then got double sinks, where you've got hand wash by Crabtree again and body lotion, shower caps, You get 3 or 4 flannels, and the lady keeps decorating them every day into a flower. The second sink, shaving mirror with light, charger, a dial to turn the volume up for the TV if you want that in here, tissues, bin, lots of towels, and then here you've got your toilet with soft and hard flush, and your electronic bidet. When I first got here, we were FaceTiming Matt's mum and auntie, and we accidentally pressed the button and the bidet got us incredibly wet. As you then come back out, you've got a humongous shower which has 3 settings on it. Again, the Crabtree beauty products, and then behind the door you've got your towels. The towels have been really nice, like dry and crunchy hotel towels, which is how I like them. We've had a cracking stay in this hotel, would highly recommend it. Because it's a junior suite, you do get access to the executive lounge, which if you go on to our vlog for Vienna, you'll see a couple of snippets of. Highly recommend this. It actually worked out cheaper for us to book the junior suite and get our breakfast included in the exec lounge than going for a smaller room and paying for our breakfast. So it was absolutely a no-brainer for us. If you come, hope you all have a great time. Please click like and subscribe, and we will next see you doing a cabin tour on Pianoventura. Take care everyone, bye!